My videos aren't just about the drinks. It's a tribute to the culture and passionate souls behind them. The tireless artisans who craft the beverages that accompany our good times and the bad, our special moments, and unforgettable nights with friends and family. As a former soldier of the United States Army, I'm not one for sitting idle. You'll find me working at vineyards in South Africa, pouring pints at Oktoberfest, or wielding a machete to chop agave in the heart of Mexico. It's all about getting my hands dirty and learning by doing. Each stop is about tradition, a lesson in culture, and a deep dive into the practices that reveal the very essence of these remarkable creations. There's something intoxicating about the stories lurking behind every bottle of beer, wine, or spirits. It's not just about the drink, it's about the life that lives and breathes into it. So come along on this journey with me. Let's uncover the next captivating story behind your favorite drinks from every corner of the globe.